There's rating like that, but no matter what, those avatars are always hidden by default. Someone has to go out of their way to show you.
They would have to not have the portal except from...
Because then people won't shoot for it, because they don't want their avatar hidden by default.
This update actually killed that. Alright, I got
Honestly, this is the part where you say...
It uses a mix of players' philosophy.
They're gonna show you world trick?
If you're trying to go...
No, it was supposed to be ready yesterday, and I kind of gave up on it. Not gave up, but like I was feeling nothing was stressed working on it. I couldn't straightforward transferring everything over. Yeah, maybe next week.
You know what this is? Fuck it. For example, if I went backwards...
Hey, if you know anything worse about lighting, maybe you can help me get it ready for next Friday or next Sunday.
Which is a good thing.
My skills in Unity are extremely
trying
limited.
to, though. With the portal prompts, it's like...
I need a lot of help. I need like a master lighter to get it ready. I think Carl said that would help me a little bit. I probably need something like Carl.
It's always like nice to...
I mean, I thought it worked.
To mess around.
Especially when I was
Well, Cyan, it's about that time. Let's do it! I'm just kidding, we got plenty of time.
I would have to show you.
We have 8 minutes before I give the, intro.
We still have 8 minutes. Also, there's a chance that you'll be driving this bus alone tonight, seeing as you're the only one.
No. Just the first day, or first world. I'm assuming Fax is gonna
Yeah. Well, you're gonna have to make room for that.
And also, Fax can get in. Well, depending on the EAC thing, Fax just could always get in.
Oh, that is true.
Right.
I know why I was worried about that.
Since it's his world.
Yeah, he did post in the Discord saying he's locked out of his own instance. Yeah, it's also for me. Both you and Aaron were just offline on the API for a bit, and then suddenly went back online, and like keeps doing that with other people.
Isn't that what Maya is saying? Like apparently I'm not online.
Yeah,
it's
also
not just you,
Black
it's
Rat went
happening to some
offline.
people. They have half their list showing as on, then the other half is showing that they're in the world when they aren't. They're literally not even in the world yet. And then you have another bunch saying that they set the world to private, and others see them as open to friends, and they're like, well, what the hell? It says open to friends, I can't go in.
Yeah,
The UI is not catching up.
Typing a message.
Well, no, that's an entirely different issue. The UI catching up is something different. What I'm talking about is like I have the APX open and just people that are
It shouldn't be. Usually open beta needs less people, but we're already filling up.
It sounds like a beta thing then.
I like it.
Wait,
Less people
the
than
VRChat UI finally
I like it. I'll fill you up.
Yeah, so it was in the patch notes that they
Wait, what did it break itself
I
in?
need them.
Okay, so the issue I've been having for a while is for the past like 2 months, it's always been shown that the current world I'm in is the OPDC win colony, but it's finally updated to the community
Human hair.
Is that your yeah, the thing is it only updates when you
That's why I only did it,
switch
sorry.
tabs within the social menu. Then it would show the correct list. We never switched tabs and it went updated. That was supposedly fixed in the beta.
Was it for everything? For me, I always only noticed for like the first one.
also
Like you have to switch tabs the first time.
Yeah.
capitalism, I guess.
Yeah, no, for me it was like every time.
That's not my fault.
Every single time I open my menu, I don't click on the social tab and then click back off it.
Well, everything's made by
Select no clip. Select the Udon behavior and Udon monitor. And enable and disable no clip.
Okay, yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah, the here
The issue that I was talking about.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
the here in the
thing is
big menu's always worked.
Yeah.
Is it working now?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, the here in the Twitch menu is still broken. I was talking about the friend locations not updating.
Right.
Can't win. 57. I bet there's a lot of people.
Yeah, and apparently Fax just can't get back in. broken.
Yep. I didn't broke it. I'm making a really cool world that has a bunch of lighting, and I can't
really judge this without having VRCX,
so I've tried, and it's just like
unless nerds
it's
who
beyond like what I
actually ends up joining the meetup, then I can judge it.
There's like the term
But everything that looks like it should be.
VRCX?
Right, VRCX is basically just a tool that lets you see.
Wait, Max got in! Did he?
Yeah.
I was supposed to show off Sunday, but I couldn't show it off
Yeah, he was over there and then he walked away, so maybe he went to the stage?
Maybe?
I don't know.
I can test something.
Yeah, no, I thought he downloaded everything.
WTF is in Avatar test box. Let's see if that shows in my menu.
I was tempted to show it off this Sunday, and like just to get just to gauge feedback, but I think it's better to show it off.
Representativity.
Yeah, actually, no, it's even showing in the VRChat menu. Yeah, it says they're offline.
I know I've seen like people like request off me while still being considered offline.
Hi, welcome to the
I'm still waiting on some.
Yeah, look at social, I see Eric there, and if I look at my menu, it says he's offline.
Wait, the science offline on my screen now. What?
I'm not online. I'm in a
Oh yeah, hold up. I see that too. Yeah, Fizzy, you have the offline thing. Client has the offline.
They're offline is what Miner is saying.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Everybody on my friends. Oh no, Crazium's online for me.
Oh yeah, no, okay, everyone on my friends list on the beta is offline. Yeah.
That's not true for me. So like I'm looking at my menu and like I see
you're back
1,
to blue
2,
again,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, now it's showing back online.
14 people are on my friends list. They're still online in this world. Out of I'm gonna assume 33. So half of them are online. Half are off.
Yeah.
It looks like
I now have a screen.
Oh wait, now you're offline. What the hell? It keeps changing. It keeps changing like.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead towards the stage. We got 2 minutes.
So mine was a full body one in total.
Pas besoin de mettre une deuxième couche. Et revenir ici à la maison il fait 20 degrés. Donc c'est bon, tu vois, il n'y a pas beaucoup de différence. Mais tu la sens.
Oh, there goes my VRAM. So much for the update.
C'est pas les mêmes 20 degrés que là-bas.
So far I'm only at 7.3 out of 10 gigs.
Fax doesn't have any headphones. We can yell at him all we want.
C'est comme si c'était 20 degrés. Enfin,
anyways, can you switch to
c'est comme si tu ouvrais
full screen? There we go.
fenêtre ouverte et que dehors il ferait peut-être 10 degrés.
That's not what I actually had in mind.
Oh no, Ivan, it wasn't a lighting issue. It was a being online issue.
20 degrés sur le thermostat.
Did you get help with the lighting?
For some reason.
Oh yeah, I guess while we're waiting, Eric, play some Zelda. I want to try grabbing and moving her around to see if that's broken or not.
I need like someone to like follow me into Unity or something.
What you need to do is
Okay, and I grabbed her base.
scream for help.
Oh god.
Holy shit.
Status is in their name tag. But
Okay, yeah, no, it's not. It broke. Yeah, it's no longer. Yeah, they removed Fizz when snapping to hand, so it breaks world objects. Okay.
To be expected.
Like normally you can grab her by the base of. Yeah, you can grab her by the base of her tail, and then like she's supposed to follow your hand, but she is not doing that.
Weird.
Sad.
Some of them have something like the
Yeah. Okay. Hopefully that can't actually get responded to.
Stop pointing at me.
That really needs to be an option.
Oh yeah, that's done now.
Amazing
I
stuff.
guess also.
Oh, okay. Also, what I was
Yeah.
gonna
Black,
say
who's black
was,
again?
because of this update, and Avatar creators were not aware about this change that's coming up, but they have to literally revise all of their avatars that they put up like on shops like Emerald and such. Like they have to do
that would be on them if they decide to do it. The only difference is it's just counting VRAM whether or not it's like 4 RAM. So if they want to keep that farming or so, then yeah.
Very good.
There are two that I know that I think I will give them the heads up.
All right, time to begin the community meetup. Hello, everybody.
The first community
Welcome to the
meetup of
community
March.
meetup, and as all of you have already figured out, welcome to open beta as well. Just to check, we're actually not full for once, 65 out of 40, except, half of you are offline because that's how this beta is. Can I expect somebody to please make a canny for that? Okay, going with that idea.
Make 5 of them.
Okay, but yeah, since today we're on open beta, if you see any bugs, make sure to actually make a canny because otherwise they may not even know about it. So yeah, as there's already the canny about some avatar stuff is broken, but hey, this is a Worlds event and my notifications aren't as important. Okay, keep going. Yes, if we see any other weird bugs, please make a canny, and if somebody else points it out, somebody just peer pressure somebody to actually do it, because I probably won't end up doing it, sorry. But anyway, back to what this event is, which all of you already know because you're in the Discord and all that. But this is the community meetup where we show off the worlds that we're working in progress or have already made public and all that. We're not affiliated with VRChat or any other group, so it's if you're not in the Discord, which you all probably are, join the Discord on communitymeetup.net. When showing off a world, please make sure it follows the VRChat terms of service and community guidelines. When showing a world, please make sure it's also set to 40 users. Just assume that it's going to get full, even though we're on beta, but we'll find out. Since I'm mentioning beta so much, since this is not a network compatible one, it might be a good idea to put beta in your status just in case your friends do try to join you and then complain on Discord being where you at? Yeah, they will not see you unless they're also on beta.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
New beta.
Okay, good for you. Anyway, so today, one of the things in the list that is actually for testing is that the portal system has been completely reworked. So I'm not going to even say drop a our Friends Plus or Invite Plus. I'm just going to say, drop a Friends Plus and we can test it just by all going in when you see it. And if it breaks, somebody make it canny because they lied. It's not fixed. But anyway.
So looking forward for this.
Brilliant.
So when it's your turn to drop a portal, it'll automatically be unlocked, but, just verify that it still is, but just go ahead, drop a portal, we can run in. Yeah. When showing off a world, please make sure it does not deal with sensitive subject matters that would offend anybody, or if you have any questions on that, come to myself as well as Faxnor. We can let you know if there's any issues with whatever your world is showing. If you're showing a world today, let us know if you have any time constraints. By that, we can move you forward, backward, anywhere in the list. And also let us know if your world is large size. And by large, we mean file size. And so that would be 250 megabytes or more. And typically we put those towards the end of the list just so that people with slower downloads can actually enjoy the event and not be downloading the entire time. Anyway, when showing a world, please make sure you've actually visited and tested it. By that, our general example is, making sure there's a collider under spawn, as well as there's enough room for us to drop a portal to go out. Oh, here's a new one. Sort of. Please use optimized avatars, and if you have not done so already, please check to see whether or not you are optimized. In the beta today, they made it such that VRAM now counts as avatar performance, so if you're too high VRAM, you're probably poor now. Please make sure you are medium or better. And if you see somebody that is not, peer pressure them and get them to change, or let myself and Vax know. Anyway, if you do not see the message on your screen, please point to myself again and Faxnor and show our avatars, as we have different shader messages to tell you what to do, like use optimized avatars or respawn. And in the case that it does not show for you, I'm going to blame the beta because it broke my avatar. Anyway. With that said, this event will run for at most 2 hours, and then after that, we're just going to go to our social where you can just talk to all the people here, hang out, do whatever. We're going to keep it in the beta just so that we, don't lose other people, and if you find more bugs, then it helps them test and all that. Anyway, if you showed a world last week, please hold off on showing again this week just because we have a 1-week cooldown. And with all of that finally said, if you have something to show, you can step in the magic rectangle. The people waiting just go in. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Do you know how Udon works? Is that magic to you?
You don't? I want you.
Anyway, okay. Looking at the list, we have...
I got slightly close. No, I have nothing
we
to
have
show.
7 people? I'm going to cut off the list in a few seconds.
Oh, I'm gonna step up.
Okay, I will... Oh?
Oh no.
What just happened?
Okay.
Oh, my.
Sorry, I locked it, which then changed the order. But okay.
Yes.
Does anybody have a time constraint and you want me to move you around on the list? So I see Cygnos, Lilith, BobyStar, Qhala, Steve. Is this order fine for everyone?
I like to be not first, but at least halfway through because you got to leave in an hour. No, it's not like.
Well, not last. Second or third? If you don't say anything, I'll put you third.
I can swap space with you.
Okay.
I don't care.
Okay.
Yes, Qhala?
Could you throw me all the way to the end? The file size of my world is just a.
You're at the end.
You're at the end. There you go.
Congratulations.
Any other time constraints?
No,
If not, would you like to step on stage, Cygnos, and talk about your world?
Yes. It's a photogeometry showcase, but this is higher quality than you normally used in VRChat. So it's made with LiDAR. It's literally high quality photogeometry, and you might confuse it with standard Unity assets, but it's the models that I'm showcasing are all made by me. So that's what I make. So yeah.
Photogrammetry.
How many polygons?
Yes.
Everyone rush to the portal.
Get
in as soon as you can.
Rush the portal.
If it breaks so well.
Make sure it's friends plus and it's unlocked.
It should be unlocked by default.
It's unlocked by default now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's unlocked by default.
By default now. How great, isn't it?
But still best to double check that.
Oh, rush it, guys!
Yay! Oh, cool. Yeah, no, it's looking pretty stable to me. Yes, Ivan, we're using the beta because, you know, just do some tests to make sure everything is good for when it releases. No better time to check bugs, you know, than having like 80 plus people try it out. Can counteract bugs a bit quicker. But yeah, pretty convenient.
It's like
it worked.
It worked. How amazing was that?
I changed my mind. I'm gonna freak out.
Here we go. Aw.
That's the problem.
Just exploding with all
Huh.
this.
Actually.
Some high quality looking.
Good lighting all around.
Where's my debug avatar? I want to see those polygons. No, the debug avatar is very important. I can do that.
What is making this
Mine's 60%.
Yeah, that's about.
That's optimized for social
It's
VR.
more my frame size.
It's actually not that bad.
It's the high polygon.
It's a trash disposal kit. Yes, that falls.
Yeah, I can't read any of this.
You just gotta go. Sometimes you just fix your model.
What?
Good.
Oh, it's not English. Oh,
Yep, unfortunately.
Is it just the house?
Something about a tower built in 1520, about something restorations this year. Partially original wooden construction.
That player local would have shown me, but without a head.
It's awesome. Look, it's wood, like nature.
Yeah. Normally I don't find
It's got grass. Yeah.
Oh, you heard that? It's a login animation. So I reset my avatar and I couldn't get out of the log. My avatar, and I log in for the first time. I don't enter a keypad. It just locks my avatar.
It's
so I kind of do a weird.
Awesome. Minor mistakes.
So I made that.
Hey, Cyan.
Details are actually captured
My avatar by default.
Come here real quick.
You can't move, and it's so it's like unusable.
Stand right here.
Yeah, it's like an anti-risk, but it's kind of easy to sort of.
Wait, what? Stand right here. And that is how you log in.
Now I can log into Canny finally, but then make someone else do the work.
So it's kind of
Exactly.
It's too random text. But then when I try to log
And that is how you log on.
I unlock myself in data, I'm stuck. So my animation seems to broke.
What if I said there's just a hole up here?
Yeah, test your animation.
I'm just gonna say, can you check the log? Is there anything funny going on?
Yeah, I see a bunch of errors.
Wow.
I wonder, Cyan, how big do you think this log file is?
I'm saying there's a bunch of errors happening. I see avatars loading in the log. I see.
Let me take a look at this log.
That's a very poor avatar.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, several.
How many
They
calls?
couldn't download the first one anyway, just because my site.
Oh my god. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought.
It's not so bad.
iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes.
For it, I'm like, okay, I want to change because my regular avatar is it's ranked pretty badly because of how many toggles I have. I have like
you and my two others here. What I call hamburger.
It's like the AI side.
Just scanned my room today.
You understand when I get it set up, and it's going to work.
Oh, yeah. Switch that over, and then.
And I love it.
But I have to say, this is pretty damn cool. So the guy captured this on his phone.
Oh, Sayonara.
Oh, my man.
A million times.
Man.
Help me get this over him so we can kill him finally.
Hello.
Oh, well, hello.
Could you pull out your parrot and see if it works? Can I take this? It's like the constraints are from the.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, we tried. It's just. Oh no, wait! I can grab it. Wait.
Oh, now it's working. It wasn't working in the previous world.
Well, hold up. Maybe it's just other people.
No, in my case, in my case, it's broken. Like everything related to my constraints is just broken.
Okay.
Well, hold up. Try it. You grab it again.
For me, it wasn't constrained.
It's stuck on.
Yeah. Okay, now it's fine. It was
this is fine.
The issue. Yeah, well, the issue we were having in the previous world is like they changed that Fizbone don't snap your hand anymore, and it was really breaking her in the previous world. Okay.
But my other constraints are broken. You see my suitcase? It's supposed to be world constrained, and I can't pull it with my hand. Even if I try, it doesn't go.
Yeah, I guess
that's bugged out.
Yeah, they may have.
Yeah, so it's weird. I'm looking at my layers, and it's going properly, but it's just not.
Something like this, you know?
Yeah, so things are kind of buggy for constraints. It's a constraint issue. But does he say this is working? Who else has constraints on their avatar? I keep dragging my menu. At least this is. I couldn't figure out only.
You have to grab her by the tip.
I only know you have constraints.
Yeah, no, she has an issue where if you grab her by the tip of the bone, she breaks, but the base server phone cheaper versions. That's just been an issue with Switch One since day one.
Yeah.
Okay. So some constraints work. I just don't know what constraints exactly.
Yeah, or for maybe a separate. Since there is a bug right now where bulls are being converted to floats if they're not synced.
Oh. Does it show up on the menu?
Yeah, it's on the debug menu. Where like if you look at your parameters over on the left, like it'll show like a bool as a float.
Wait, do your
okay so far? Yeah.
Do your portals still work this?
Ones. If it's in your sync parameters, won't change.
So my portals are attached to my suitcase, so that's broken. But I can do a desktop version of it, like this.
Okay.
So I can constrain this target on my head, and the portals do work. I mean, people can still use them. I just have to do it in a different way. So they're fine. I don't know why like that world constraint works, but then not my suitcase.
That's Are we talking about like just brokenness in the avatars right now?
Yeah. Constraints are just wonky in data.
Is it actually constraints? Because like based on the canny, it's purely just if you're ever using a local avatar parameter. Like it just does not update in your animator at all.
No, but in all my
I was just gonna say, like, the way I have mine was just like, I just tested a bunch of different things of like the local animator or local avatar driver parameters or something. And none of them like actually worked. It showed the value, but like, the animator doesn't see any of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so some of my animations are done through driver. So you're telling me it's a driver that's bugged out right now? Oh, that's
whatever you use drivers for, it'll set it to a float for some reason, and then like even as a float, if it was one, it just doesn't work. Like the debug menu shows it does, but like your avatar or your animator just doesn't see it. So like
was this model hard to port over? I don't. Does Hi-Fi Rush use Unity?
Very. It's unreal.
Yeah.
Okay.
I had the raw rip file, but I've had to do so much work, and it's not even done yet. I'm still missing a bunch of the detailing on the sentences. I'm gonna have to do them manually myself.
It just doesn't work.
Is it that hard to convert a Unity model or Unreal model to Unity?
Well, it wasn't designed. It wasn't designed for even Unity, much less VRChat. So I've had to completely redo the rig. I've had to adjust a bunch of the UVs so I can have specular on things like the hair. I've had to set up. I had to use the face rig to set up all the blend shapes and shape keys for face tracking and the other tracking, the other talking. I've had to completely redo the outline because the way they do an outline is they just had a mesh exactly in line with the like main mesh, and then they used a shader with a thickness texture, and then they used the thickness texture to tell the vertices, hey, how far away from the mesh should you be? I don't know how to make a share that does that, so I had to just in Blender manually make it so the outlines just existed, and then do all of that manually.
Wow, it's a lot of work, but hey, it's paying.
And then also for the shading, for all of the shading, I'm using cross-trend shading that uses the shadowed version of their texture, because they have shadowed textures and normal textures, and it goes between the based on if it's a shadowed or not.
Come here. Oh, I got one question, but what's that?
I made some missing head.
Look, it's the orange meetup.
Okay.
In the picture, just gather around. I'm going to take a picture of this. Gather around the orange.
All of us gather around the orange?
Yeah, I'm going to put it in my world service in heaven. Hey, ready to back up from?
Eat the orange.
There you go, got it. It's going to be in the photo gallery in that world, so I'm going to go ahead and update that later.
Are you going to get your face and eye tracking working on it as well, or do you already have it?
I already am.
Oh, okay. You're using Quest Pro right now, right?
All these people's eye tracking.
Or are you using
I'm using my Pro and face tracker. This is set up for the Sarako.
Yes, I have a Quest Pro. I swear I didn't actually pay for it. It is not worth the with taxes $1,600. It was bought through my work bought it for me.
I know you work.
My work bought it.
I already know you're fine. I already know.
I would not go out of my way to buy a Quest Pro. It's not worth it. The only good thing about it
on Discord, okay?
I know. The only good thing about it's the lenses, okay? The fucking pancake lenses is like so fucking good.
I know, it's great.
All future headsets are probably going to have that lens. Yes, except they're completely wrong sizes.
I know, and it wouldn't work because the lenses would be too far away from the display.
They also just it uses a higher resolution display. I'm using a Vive Pro, so mine's even worse than an index. Even though I have 3 indexes, I like eye tracking too much.
Eye tracking is great. I'm just sad there aren't really any
alternatives
which are good.
I will say that the way they have
this headset sucks.
I will say how they have the eye and face tracking set.
Just rip out the eye tracking, slap it.
It is like in there much more neater compared to like the Vive and stuff like what was it, the Vive Flow, that one, their standalone that had the attachment.
I don't remember.
Yeah, it's that standalone one they got.
The XR Elite now has traction eye tracking, but that's a module.
Yeah. But yeah, like the Pro, it's much more cleaner on it. And now that the eye and face tracking work
face tracker to my headset.
Though I feel like the face tracker, the Vive face tracker,
never
is
coming up.
unnecessarily bulky.
Yeah, a little bit.
Really? It's pretty thin.
Like it's a giant. It's thin, but it's a giant square in front of your mouth.
Okay. Remember that this is many years old. Yes.
Hello? I mean, it makes sense that it would be many years old, because why the fuck did they release it now?
Well. Who it is?
Why are you
It's not that old. Didn't the Vive face tracker come out 2020?
Face with your...
It was either 2020 or 2019, I think.
Yes.
Hello?
You're the reason I'm here. I didn't know whether or not I was gonna join. I was just like, Steve in the lens. So I was like, shit. Well, now I have to.
Oh no! Okay, the Vive face tracker is released in March 2021. That's still like 2 years now, but still relatively new.
Weird. Like, why the fuck that they released the Focus 3 at that time? They didn't even have any new eye tracking headsets. The Vive Pro was already.
They just really messed with it that much.
Yeah, no, I think it was the Vive Pro 2 where they were basically advertising it right now. The face tracker and an eye tracker Vive
It's not
tracking.
gonna be completely good.
Yeah, no, they said they were going to make an eye tracker for it, a separate add-on, and then they never released it. And then they only released the Focus version of it.
Which is stupid. At least, I hope, at least with the XR Elite, they're going to actually release the face tracker.
This Focus eye tracker is expensive too. It's like $100 for the face tracker.
Yeah, no, that one is expensive.
Yeah, the Focus in general is expensive.
It is. They overprice everything. Like, especially the Vive XR Elite comparing to the new Quest Price Pro, or the new Quest Pro price list.
Quest Price Pro.
At least they're not going to sell you data for it.
The Quest Pro is actually worth it now.
Yeah. To make it so that works. So I'm also missing it. There's
Because they had a price drop.
Weird compromises.
Well, for $1,000,
it has to be compromises. For $1,000, it's okay.
I
don't think.
Forgot to add it.
The one thing that bothers me is that it's still using the XR2 and not the XR3. Or not the XR3, but the XR2 Gen 2.
Honestly, I could care less about the internal hardware for that. I just
also, it depends on what you're going to use it for. As a PC VR headset, it's at a competitive price now compared to the Index. As a standalone headset, terrible. As an AR headset, terrible. It only makes sense as a PC VR headset. And they didn't make it that way, but...
The standalone stuff is a decent
like the
price.
battery life is also kind of low. And the comfort is not great. Oh, respawn. Are we? I think we already have spawn, so we are probably fine. Yeah, we are. We are directly an extra spawn.
Well, I'm gonna have to tell Cyan off. Cyan, we're right here. We're right here, Cyan. We're right.
Well, you know what? I wasn't, but now I am because I know where my position
You
is.
couldn't take
I know where my
10
position is.
steps on over here, Cyan. You know what happens if you try and respawn at the respawn?
Just gonna get quiet enough. Quick respawn.
You can't respawn at the respawn. It's just over.
I'm gonna be.
I'm not close enough to spawn.
We need a shoot.
So today, we are going to be revisiting the Afterlife, but this time we've added Varnian's Udonity to the project, and so Varnian is going to do a little bit of an explanation on what you can access and what can be done with like using Udonity in an animated scene, and yeah, I guess that's basically it. Any kind of music is free of copyright. There's no worry on any kind of like stuff within it, so sound is good. And
Will we have to
I think
reach
that's about
ultimate
it.
judgment again? That didn't go well for me last time.
Yes, always.
Oh, damn.
You always have to. What's the Wi-Fi password?
Oh, no, Joe. You remember what happened last time? He got beat. He beat you up pretty bad.
Am I about to see?
What did I miss? I wasn't here last time.
Oh, I posted it in the video, the Meetup compilation a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, nice job.
I need to see that.
There is a single game object in the entire scene that you have to find using Udonity. That is the Wi-Fi password.
Whatever happened to the portal? Now.
I'm scared of the portal.
So Ivan, I don't know if you heard us talking because it was kind of loud, but the Quest Pro is only 1,000 right now. They dropped it to 1,000, which honestly, in my opinion, I think it's well worth it. I bought it when they made it 400 off, but I got like Amazon credit, so it only cost me like a little under 1,000 to buy it. But yeah, for 1,000, I'd say like the Quest Pro with it having eye and face tracking is fully worth it. Oh, and the because the picture quality is really nice on it, and
Steve, I just realized I haven't actually been here
yeah,
in VR
it
yet.
definitely is
I
much
only
more
have
worth
seen
it in
this
1,000 now.
VC.
Well, settings doesn't do any. Quick game.
Oh shit.
Also, I have a raycast
God,
attached
this-
to my hand at all times. It's not going
This
away.
bloom
There's no quit
is-
button.
Yes, that is part of Udonity.
Just hit join world.
I can't believe.
Oh, c'est énervé, gros.
Join world.
Yeah.
Can't quit your
First puzzle.
I'm so
Someone stole my Quadra VTech.
Why is the laser so
I can't even talk.
So you just jump once to toggle.
Loading.
I don't like that I have this pointer
Loading.
all the time.
Why is the avatar not loading?
Does your do you not does your do you not talk in this world?
It's my own, not yet. And I'm too small, and I'm waiting for my avatar to load. I click on it, and it's just like, well, you'll swap to it eventually. I don't know when. Sometime in this instance, I guess.
Whenever
It's
it gets
like-
done downloading someone that's like 100 feet away from you.
Ah!
I can't wait for download prioritization to come and find download canceling to actually
Alright,
work.
that's it.
It needs to actually come out.
Alexa? Did you see the there was like a
Here we go. Now we can listen to music while we wait.
Oh shoot! Wait, this is the copyright-free version, right?
like heavily armored kind of god dudes.
Eric, he's giving an explanation.
Oh shoot! Yeah, good point.
You don't think? Come here.
Eric, over here.
On enabled no clip, then your no clip should be enabled and you can fly out. Same thing with disabled no clip. Symbol modification isn't allowed yet. It needs additional new items for that, but at the very least, you can invoke
Yeah, I got sidetracked.
entry points. And what I'm going to be working on next is basically Udon Sharp method reconstruction. So you can construct the Udon Sharp methods from the original scripts, and you can basically assign every single parameter on a method and call it again, and then you can cache the return value and then use that for another method. So you can basically start dissecting the entire script into pieces and invoking them piece by piece via Udon Monitor. Profiler is now also available. It has two graphs, one for all of the update loops in Udon VM, and then another for the frame time. The sliders change their scale, so you can roughly see the estimate of how much of the frame time is being used by each update loop, etc. Input monitor is also functional. You can see all of your inputs. You can monitor them. Project window has broken for some reason, at least for
Just a
myself.
solid fucking line.
Oh, it doesn't work, yeah.
You are still getting hired after they extend the range a bit.
But animator.
Oh my god.
Animator window is also semi-functional, and if you guys go to Afterlife Varnian on the left side, expand it, and select Surveyor _ max tag. That is the intro sequence that you saw in the beginning, the Surveyor that was flying and dropped the max tag agents to the ground. If you disable the game object, so the animator gets reset, and you enable it again, and you open up the animator window, you can then switch between the layers and parameters view. Layers view shows every single layer that is on that animator and their weights. All the additive modes and all those different properties, they are not shown yet, but they will be available in the future. But at the very least, you can see all of the layer names and their weights, and on the parameters, you can actually edit these. So if you did, like I said, you disabled the Surveyor _ max tag and enable it again. If you click start, if you click on the trigger on the start parameter on the animator window, then you can see that the max tag Surveyor is actually starting to fly in. So you're basically invoking the trigger from the animator window. And if you change the speed to, let's say, 0.1, that will change the speed of the actual animation.
Wait, so if I change the speed to 10, will the max tech units fly out of that ship like they'll yeet at the speed of light?
The ragdolls have already been used, so that doesn't affect anymore, but it just affects the animation.
How fast can we make it go?
Damn it.
Imagine if I disabled the VRC world you guys to play or something.
Oh god, the amount of point lag.
Let's see another example of the Udon monitor. If you guys go to NPCs, under the NPCs object, select Evelyn _ 5 _ cyberpunk _ static. That is my avatar. If you click on that,
and I kept falling through a floor and couldn't get out.
Yeah, that's
Guys, don't go too close to the screen, otherwise we can't see what we're choosing and stuff.
So after you've selected the last NPC under NPCs, so go under NPCs and select the last NPC on the list. After you've selected it, just go to the pointer next to the Afterlife entrance and basically use your cursor, use your right-hand pointer to bring that object next to the editor.
Wait, what?
What? What? I don't know.
I missed that because it was so hard to see.
Yeah.
Wait, it's over there. Wait, can I just like...
So, wait.
I clicked the wrong thing and it crashed.
Uh-oh.
Fuck him off.
So I've got the last NPC.
Okay, I'm trying to do the thing, but... Do the thing.
Did you bring the NPC next to you
FPS with all the
to the
lights
editor?
disabled, but my resolution's increased.
Do I do that through here?
Maximum velocity.
That means,
it's the cursor, the pointer,
all those pointing
the
spotlights
handle
for real
of
time.
Udonity is in world space.
Oh, I see it.
So you can see the Unity handle appear in world space next to the Afterlife entrance to the left of you. And you can basically go and use your yellow pointer on your right hand to actually grab that and bring that next to you.
Yeah, after you have her select, just go over to where the NPC is over there.
It says use talk.
What happens if you disable
So
VRC
if
brain?
you
aggressive.
Nothing. Nothing really happened.
So if you expand the NPC object again and go to NPC talk test on that object, and again on the context menu, click on open in Udon monitor and open the window up. Then you can invoke an entry point called play random line. So this is basically the same as if you were clicking use when standing next to the NPC.
God.
No, that's
Apparently I'm missing some steps.
So this is a perfect example of how you can basically override any entry points or symbols with Udonity and basically try to troubleshoot that way. Then, if you guys want to play with some ragdolls, in the middle of the hierarchy you can see ragdoll launchers, 6 of them, and you can enable all of them, and you can just expand them until you go under max tack ragdoll, max tack armature, and hips. So grab the hips object of the ragdoll launcher, just go deep down into the hierarchy, and then you can grab that hips object in world space. All the ragdolls are next to the entrance, and you can drag ragdolls around.
Oh god.
That is fine.
Oh, by the way, where now? Like, I can't see anything in the Udon monitor. You say it's something like that I have to press something after pressing NPC test talk, right?
Yeah, so NPC talk test, and then click on the 3 dots on the Udon behavior editor element.
Oh, okay,
So
okay, I see.
Editor that says
Opening Udon monitor.
behavior, yeah.
Open, okay.
Thanks, sorry.
Question.
I missed
If
that
you
point.
manage to yeet one of the ragdolls so hard they disappeared from the world, what do we do?
So turning everything off
Not my problem.
while you're in no clip will send you into terminal velocity and eventually crash you.
God is dead, and we have killed him.
Oh shit!
That was funny. I just kept smacking the ragdoll in the ceiling of the Afterlife inside.
I literally grabbed right here in between them by accident and was like, what?
This is amazing.
Where is it? I'm too stupid to find it right now. Where do I find the ragdoll?
Oh wait, there's another one I can play with here.
That's
Custom inspectors and went hog wild. Like,
Wish me luck on the test of
But yeah, that's the majority of the features in Udonity as of now.
Oh no, you do that?
It is constantly
Can I get that? I had to like start my VRChat. Because my hand is so shaky in VR.
I mean,
that
you can
click
jump twice, the no clip.
Click more triggers.
Sorry, Udon 2. Gotta wait for Udon 2.
I think we should have told him that before he turned it off.
Anyways, I have to mess with it more later. There's just too many people around, and
Collision, come back, please.
That's pretty solid.
I'm not familiar with Unity, so yeah.
This is fun.
I swear, what are people gonna say when they go to my world now?
I brought one of the ragdolls. He's twitching a lot, but he's fine.
It's pretty cool. Although,
Yeah.
I'm not familiar with Unity, so it's like, hold on my head.
Yeah, well, did you manage to get the NPC moving around thing working?
No, I have not.
Okay.
But I can.
Has a page that is automatically generated, which showcases all of the exposed components.
Yeah, just like open up NPCs with the arrow by the side.
I also checked if that like.
Let me collapse everything so I can see stuff.
Unfortunately, not.
Just leave no clip on. Just don't touch no clip.
Yeah, and then select Evelyn Firepunk Static, or Evelyn 5 Static. Click on her to select her. Okay, so now like follow me over
it just
here.
says base and blink.
What happens if I just turn the
Oh, okay.
And you should see like there's a handle. Then just click on it with the laser that's on your hand. Just like click on the handles and you can move them around.
Okay. All right. Interesting.
And you can do that with any object in the world.
So what? Did he essentially make like a Unity emulator in this map?
I think so. You can ask him. He's right there.
Yeah, Varnian, is that essentially what this is? Like a Unity emulator?
It is runtime equivalent of Unity Editor to an extent that Udon and Udon Sharp and Unity UI allows it.
Awesome.
Soon, probably during the summer, there's gonna be the feature that allows you to actually bring your changes back to your Unity editor. So if you have the same scene running on your desktop, you can then bring the changes back via either OSC or logs, and then you can basically do collaborative work on a world in VR with Udonity.
That'd be great.
You can bring all your entire asset database into VRChat, and you can basically instantiate objects. You can do some real-time in-game modeling, export the 3D models, import 3D models, all kinds of good stuff.
When we do projects like this in the future, and we get to work on scenes and projects and whatnot within like VRChat itself, is it meant to be done solo, or are we allowed to have like 2-3 people tag along working with the project?
So the best part about this is one of my solutions that I'm providing for people as like people who are having licensing issues with large projects. This is going to be really helpful. Like, for example, if one person owns, like, let's say, $1,000 worth of assets that other people don't own, so they cannot send the assets to that person. But the other collaborators can come to the world in VR and basically do their changes with Udonity, and they can just send the changes to the original author of the world, who owns all of the licenses to the assets. So this has a heavy focus on collaboration.
Okay.
Hey, I managed to crash the inspector.
Yeah, that is very much expected. Udon Sharp is very much pinned in this project, and it doesn't like me. So a lot of things are corrupted. Build process is very much just throwing a needle.
So are you actually exporting out a scene?
That will be available probably during this summer. I'm still trying to improve the stability of the editor itself so that I can actually do that.
Wait, so
Yeah,
for example,
the way I
like,
manage-
downstairs doesn't have the Afterlife set up yet. It's just a wall. So if you were to if you were wanting to like create that section, and you can literally like put up the necessary like colliders and walls and seatings and triggers and whatnot, literally while you are in the project in VRChat, can this all be set up like from that ground up if you're making that section?
In the future, you can do almost anything other than lighting, occlusion, and mesh collider based actions. But
especially for people that are familiar with the Unity editor.
one of the best use cases for Udonity is just taking your entire asset database, all of the prefabs, like let's say if I want to start placing bar stools downstairs, I can just start placing all of the prefabs downstairs and then just send a file that contains all of those changes to Steve, who can then run my editor script, which will then apply all of those changes to the actual original scene, and then it will be available moving forward. So that's one of the best examples of the use cases. Because obviously, you don't want to do everything in
So
VR.
like if the other guy doesn't have the asset prefab, like he said, and it's only like with the first guy who's the lead of the project, the other guy who comes into the world will be able to see those prefabs even though they don't have it by streaming it down on their end, and then they can do the changes that's been done with the original owner of the prefab. And thus, when that change happens, they can see that change back to the original owner?
Yeah, so basically the project window, it doesn't work right now, but what it's supposed to show is the entire folder structure of your Unity project. It will show every single original asset, and you can call the original asset database method from Udon with that storage.
This is your ghost. A cyber-looking ghost. Oh, jeez. That's pretty cool. Very small.
You're taunting me with that message because I deleted the spawn point, so I can't respawn.
Yeah, basically.
Well, that's your fault, not mine. Come on, Pi, we spawn already. Come on, we.
Yeah, respawn, Pi, come on.
No valid spawn points found. Would you like to rejoin? No.
Respawn. Oh wow. Wait, that's an actual message.
Yeah, you only need to rejoin.
Oh, there you
There's no spawn point.
Are you going to go to your world? Is that an actual message? Are we going to go to yours?
Non, parce qu'il a
Okay.
Ah
oui, n'hésite pas le choix avatar aussi.
Alright, because I'm a huge jerk, I'm gonna use y'all as guinea pigs again. Buckle up, we're gonna break shit. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna take you to the world I've been developing for the last little while. I got some students helping with it. It's incomplete. It's gonna have a virtual portal in it. Some stuff's functional, some's not, but there's a floor and you can go in there. But in general, it looks cool. It is a medieval version of the Westin Hotel in Toronto called the West Inn. It's for a convention, so enjoy. Alright. Volunteering my time again. Where is... I've got worlds, my worlds, uploaded. Try not to panic. Panic anyway.
The West
Just run into the portal as quickly as possible.
Also, yeah, just drop it wherever. Apparently, that's also part of the test. If you could drop it on people.
Yeah.
Yes,
really?
It works. Perfect.
I don't know. No, wait, it's invite.
It's invite only due to network latency.
Oh, they dropped another one. Like if they dropped a second one.
It went here.
It moved?
Did it
move?
What?
Did it move or did it die?
It moved.
Well,
It was over there and then it went here.
That was weird. Okay, whatever. I don't know what. That was a weird bug. I think.
This is Toronto.
Toronto? I don't want to go back to work.
It's the first time that I see a portal move.
Working on my life, PG.
No,
Okay,
outside
what
that door
just
is where
happened?
I work. It's probably only a couple of streets away.
Je sais pas encore.
Like,
What do you mean?
that was.
I work in the financial district.
So you saw that,
What
right?
happened now?
She dropped it said invite, but then it like changed itself, and then it went friends plus.
Wait, do we
What?
know if Lilith did that on purpose or that was like a bug?
I don't know.
Is
Where's
Lilith here?
Lilith?
I want to assume she just like dropped the wrong one, then re-dropped it. But
So the portal said invite, but was in the wall for me, so I couldn't read the rest of it.
Yeah, but then
I did not look at the portal.
Originally was.
I mean, it was in the wall, so I could only see what's in it.
But it says she
They
created
spawned an
the
invite-only portal,
instance.
and then a Friends Plus portal spawned shortly after.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it says
we
she's
don't
an
know.
instance creator.
Yeah, we don't know. We don't know if that was intentional.
I don't know if it was. I don't know who went in. See, because I know like, maybe a couple, but like we should find to ask.
Yeah,
I got split up themselves. Are they here?
There are 70 people in here, so.
Oh wait, you got split up? What?
Yeah, we got split up. So like 6 or 7 people got sent to.
Okay, so there was
Were you in an
Okay.
Because like from our side, there was one portal that was dropped that was invite, and then like maybe what, less than 10 seconds later, a Friends Plus version also spawned.
That is so weird. I got the whole thing on stream, so we can.
Or if Lilith did it intentionally. We
Yeah,
said
that's what we gotta figure out once we.
If that was intentional, that's kind of into the meetup.
Yeah, I guess I more mean she actually dropped invite only and then quickly corrected it. That's more what I mean, not intentionally.
Yeah.
It would explain the other one disappearing, because I think...
But like, you know the weird thing is, if she did accidentally make an invite, fair enough. But like, how did this random Friends Plus version happen? Like what?
Oh wait, there you are.
Oh, here we go.
Something weird happened.
I did, by accident. Okay, so what I did was, I was trying to cancel the first one that was on my cursor. I was trying to cancel the first one that was on my cursor, because it was a public, right? And I wanted to change it, so I went back into my menu to select a different portal. And I guess it spawned one, but I didn't even see it. Like, people were running through one in the wall, I didn't even see it.
Yeah, we went through the invite one. This one's public, I think, right?
Hold up. We need to try this again. That is, yeah. This one's Friends Plus, yeah.
It is cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Friends
Yeah,
Plus.
Friends Plus. This is the second one I made. This is the one people should be in.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't expect that. Like, I didn't even see the portal people were running
Hold
into.
up. Like what?
Weird.
Because I canceled it.
Thank you for explaining. It's just, we were trying to decide if it was a bug.
Yeah.
I think it was a bug. That might be a bug then. So maybe like cancelling a portal only cancels it locally or something.
Yeah, we gotta recreate that, because that's interesting.
That is interesting. Yeah, I broke
Try and
that.
drop the portal and just cancel it.
What did you break?
Lilith, how many portals did you drop?
I started up a portal, and then I canceled it. And then people started running through it, even though it was canceled.
with 2 people.
Right, okay. I have a not drop
Because
portal.
I wanted to make the Friends Plus version.
Press B to cancel.
But by the way, I
Is there a portal there?
It's empty, but it's the best we
Yeah,
can
I
get.
dropped this one after that.
But she said she dropped
really
one
want
after,
for now.
so hang on.
Okay, so anyone else have issues getting in here?
on the bot over there instead
of
like really
something at
no
funeral.
connection issues like you mentioned in Discord.
I've had a lot of people who are like anime.
Yeah, I just like it was stuck on connecting,
"Where's the
and then
funeral at?"
it
I'm like,
reloaded,
but cancel,
new instance, and then I could join here, and then that was
again.
more or less fine.
Because they sound like
Really
And then I
sweet
actually dropped
frames,
one like
honestly.
over there.
Well, my
If
CPU
you
is ready.
stick around for a long time, there's a
Cyan?
Oh, sorry. Where did you go?
Sunny just died.
My CPU is red. Dead.
Sovereign's chill home, invite only.
Yeah, this world is
I was
lagging a bit. I'm
about
getting
to
like
tell
20
them
frames compared
there's
to
a chance if you
previous
stick around that it times out randomly.
Wait.
I don't know if that's actually
Okay, yeah.
Never mind that one. I clicked on the random.
Cyan, what happened?
Wait, oh, hello, Cyan. We haven't seen you in ages.
It would be nice to do.
Did you go in that portal?
Disconnected. Mid-sentence.
You disconnected.
We heard you. Oh, my CPU's on red.
Yeah, I got like,
Dead.
what was it? The network
Did you-
zero chat
did you
stopped
time
responding.
out?
I think.
Yeah, usually.
Whatever the text that whatever the thing that popped up was, but it was VRChat. It just reloaded me. Did anybody else?
Yeah.
Was it just me?
Nice to do that with a table.
In that moment, it was just you. Wait, no, I saw a few other messages at that moment, but they were on.
Great, I lost how long you've been in the world. Oops.
Yeah, I could just add it.
Well, okay, by like 2 minutes. If that.
Well, I mean, much longer than you, because it was 3 minutes before you even joined in.
Oh, okay, yeah, I was just hanging out in the connecting for a really long time. Okay. Well, yeah, there must be a lot of udon going on in here, given how
It may not be
really
Udon.
spiky.
Somebody, Scold was saying that there was a lot of cameras. I don't know how Scold knew that, but...
And what's gonna happen?
Oh well, there's one.
If you go
How did you know?
this way, there's a number of cameras. Because you just they're up.
picture.
But it's also
That picture is one of them over
you
there.
can, I hate to say it, but you can tell with the way the frames are.
Okay.
Oh,
I mean, my
that's what cameras
CPU
look
is
like?
Frame time.
Anyways.
That's the cameras that are causing us to lag like hell.
Okay. Maybe suggest
Where
that
it almost
those are
sounds
all
like you're just a
spiky.
conspiracy theorist. So if you look at the Yeah, frame you time, target regions are going to be anywhere, yeah. But yeah.
One over there.
Getting a little sidetracked. Didn't do the actual world a bit. Wait, what's in here? Oh, nothing.
The juice is out of it. You want the juice in this one.
Welcome. Is that a problem?
Maybe when you're with a small group. No, I'm not sure.
I can't do anything about it.
Extreme, do you hear this?
Emojis are broken.
Oh no, Juice. You are
They
getting
want
a
out
little
of their
crispy.
cage.
there.
Okay, I can't do well. I've got the headset on.
Getting a wee bit
I can't do
crispy
emojis.
there, Juice.
Another bug.
Wait, really? Emojis don't work?
I don't want to accidentally.
Haha.
Yeah, try your emojis.
Oh no. I can't do them.
Yeah.
They don't work.
Game broken.
Or
Those are just render textures. So that's the render texture for
Fizzy.
one camera upstairs. And that's it.
Every time you
Use
have
an
a
emoji
camera running,
at me.
basically you're causing an entire new viewport for everyone. Like it's re-rendering everyone in that camera.
So I think there's only two. Here, hold this a second. I'm gonna check my GPU usage.
What was this about?
It's pretty high
don't
right
work?
now. Same times that like.
No, that works. I see the emojis. They're
Wait,
there.
what?
They're working perfectly fine.
Does it let people in, or does it like?
Because this world
They look
Because that
completely
one
fine.
only has like one person.
What?
So it's
Cyan, do your emojis work? Because like,
I think it's hard coded.
there's 5 other people that emojis aren't working.
Try surprise, I'm using 70% of my
Including me.
People could get in the instance, so like, let's just say it was like 4 or something, and then like
world,
10 people got in. Anyone beyond the cap would
Yeah.
just get like
You cameras are just
one
like
extra one over there, which I could get
But
rid
they
of.
would load through all of it
You
until
would
the
let them
final
in the
part,
port
and
I'm
then
using
like,
Capsule Soars, the same one that you would have used for an access. I'm using
Yeah.
Capsule Soars.
Okay. But these
Hello, Qhala.
cameras though are where you're lagging.
Cyan,
Because I've had that
emojis
happen
don't
myself.
work.
You're porting.
That's not a camera.
Oh, well, thank you.
Oh, it's not a camera. It's just render.
Well, at least, oh.
I don't know why it's empty. I asked the bartender.
Cyan, emojis don't
Instead,
work.
they're just stacking mugs.
Well, they're working for Fizzy,
what do you
though.
mean? I just saw.
What?
Yeah, I just saw Fizzy do it.
You saw Fizzy?
Wait, what?
I saw Fizzy making a beach ball.
So wait, why aren't they working for everybody? That's so
Making
weird.
it live or pre-recorded.
So the emojis aren't working for everybody.
You see my emojis?
I see them.
No, I don't see your emojis.
You don't need to.
So I just did the snow particles. I saw the beach ball right there.
All right, here.
I'm doing
Cyan.
confetti.
Bam.
Wait, nothing's showing
How?
when you're doing that.
It's probably
Am
Bobby then.
I-
Yeah, nothing's showing.
No, I don't
for
see
you.
those.
Okay, Cyan, I have your avatar shown, but I don't have anybody else.
True.
I'm gonna try showing
I shouldn't
mine.
have Fizzy shown, but I saw. Wait, yeah, I shouldn't have yours shown either.
You're on safety for some reason. Why are you on safety?
My man.
Yeah,
can
why
you
am
use
I
a
on
particle?
safety? Did you not
Or
listen
like
to me at the
an
beginning of the
emoji?
event? Wow, how could you?
My guy, I put you as a friend. You're my friend. You shouldn't have safety.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but yeah, it's still confusing. Like, some people.
Yeah, nothing.
The hitches.
That's weird.
Maybe it's Link. I don't know, but like you can't walk smoothly because of the hitches.
Yeah, I
I
noticed that.
don't notice hitches.
Yeah.
No, I know what he's talking about.
My frame rate's so low, I don't notice.
Oh, that's yeah. I think mine is too variable. So like I'll move and then I'll hitch. I'll move and I'll hitch. So it's pretty burpy.
Yeah. So I'm just
that way.
gonna say like that was one of the annoying things that I had was trying to fix as hard as I could in the devouring originally. Like it bothered me so much.
Yes.
But anyway, who's the one that discovered this bug about emojis and is gonna write the candy for it?
Oh,
I assume Eric.
Somebody?
Oh, there's an
no,
emoji
no,
bug?
it
What
wasn't.
is it?
Just some. They
Wait,
don't
wait,
work all the
can you do
time.
an emoji now again?
Can you see my beach? Can you see my beach ball?
Because of that safety.
Okay, I'm doing the.
I saw that beach ball.
Do it again.
Okay, I can see Fiona's. I saw happy faces.
I just
I
blew
saw
a
that beach
ball.
ball.
Beach balls.
Wait, okay. Do
I
the
see that
beach
you
ball
saw
and I'm not
that.
looking directly at you. But do it this. But do it this
Okay.
way.
I see Fizzy's just like.
I don't
Bobby.
see anything from
Bobby, do
Bobby.
yours.
Are you?
I
are
see
you-
Fizzy's speech
yeah.
balls.
No, you do one. I see
Let
fast
me,
people.
let me
Yeah,
try
I saw
Yeah,
something
one
over
time
there.
asked me.
Okay.
Here's the funny thing, though. Even the like, if I try and do one, y'all can't see them. Like, I'm doing the beach ball right now.
Yeah, I don't see yours.
Yeah, I don't see
Can't
it.
see it.
Yeah, yours are just broken.
Well, it just seems consistent. Even though I can't see them, I can't bring them out either for some
Okay, I'm
reason.
gonna try. Okay, I just hid your avatar, Eric. Try throwing the beach ball. I want to see if it's avatar related.
For me, I have his avatar hidden, and then I tried showing it, and I couldn't see it either way.
So nothing.
Okay.
And it seems to be
Yeah,
like
even with your avatar
an
hidden.
even, about an even
Avatar
split.
Even if I try to throw emojis around, I don't see anything.
Yeah, so it's I don't know.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah, I can't see him either. I
Yeah,
can't
I
see
can't
my
even
own.
see my
Who's
own.
using distance hider?
Oh,
I'm
mine
curious if maybe
with the
distance hider is
compression.
something.
I need distance hider.
You've got 18
Let me hide it.
crunch mode on.
That was okay. What just happened?
15 meters away.
There was a big
Okay, so since
lag
people are
spike, and
commenting
then
on
when I came
pitching,
back, Bobby was gone.
We might need to move on a little earlier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, none of my emojis are showing. I think
long have we
I
actually
don't know
been
if
in
it's
here?
the
Because I had to
word or
rejoin.
if
I
it's
don't
the
have the time
beta.
anymore.
It could be a little bit of both.
12, 13. Oh no. Actually, what if I turn off?
What, say that one again,
particle
Flex?
emitter? Does that do anything?
About 12, 13 emojis. What happened?
Okay,
Yeah, that's
and a
good enough.
particle- Okay, so particle limiter
Since we
doesn't
added
affect
somebody
the
to the list, I
distance
had to
hider,
shrink the next
graphical
one
settings
down.
Don't affect it. So,
Wait, who is
Everybody
next?
seems gone the whole time.
I think it was Bobby, actually. Yes, Bobby is next.
I wonder if it is a beta thing. I'll find out when we get back to live at a later point.
Because I was
Did
using
we
emojis.
comment about the
fine,
emoji
though.
one, or just like somebody's gonna write a candy?
I suspect the height map here is probably.
I don't know.
I don't
Does
know.
anyone want to make a candy? If not, I can complain.
Up to this group.
I'm probably just gonna make a about the pop
You know,
line
if
thing
we
someone doesn't
if we
already.
lost the emojis entirely, I wouldn't be sad. Yeah.
So, everybody, quiet, please. We're listening to Bobby.
I mean, we can't express ourselves as much, but it's not too bad.
I'm gonna wait till more people get over here because it looks like there's still quite a
I
decent
just
crowd over
read it
there.
out.
What's happening to Cyan?
Okay.
Cyan Laser is joining.
Hi, I'm gonna be showcasing my lab world again today. People might have not seen it in a while, but I'm gonna specifically be showing my world debug inspector, which is a nice little tool for debugging Udon programs and a couple other things in your world during VRChat. So I guess you can say it's a little similar to Varnian's Udonity, but it's very like shrunken down and very just for debugging and like fixing things rather than really working on worlds and stuff. There is very quiet copyrighted sound effects from the Kirby locomotion. You should be fine, but if there's no other world audio, so you are not losing anything if you mute. And I did adjust some things with the planet locomotion. You shouldn't be able to teleport off. If you want to get off the planet locomotion, you must respawn or click the exit button on the back of the sphere. If you manage to use the portal system in any other way, please don't. Let's see, I should be able to drop it.
Don't, okay.
Please don't cause
Nintendo
cool.
just sending a missile to your house
Oh,
for
finding
one
place
Kirby
to drop
jump
the
sound
portal.
effect that plays in the background.
Loading world.
Okay, Friends Plus Portal,
Oh,
go
dang, I
ahead.
wish you put it on the crate. Would have been funny.
Well, finding a couple minor bugs, but nothing game-breaking by any means. I think Bobby is the last one. That or second to last. I know we don't have too many people left. I am tired.
Press both triggers.
That's.
No, Whoa.
It looks so sad.
There's the world.
Had warning.
Press
both triggers.
Oh, God.
That was weird. I could not mute.
Oh, we just moved.
I started floating for a moment. That was weird.
I couldn't
I was seeing you.
Eric, he's giving an explanation over at the World Debug Inspector thing.
Bug inspector, you can inspect values, edit them, and change them however you wish. Udon variables can be changed, and I will warn you, you may or may not break stuff if you do that. I recommend, like, the first thing to try is click on the directional light, expand a light. If I can expand it here. Click on color, and feel free to change the color of the world.
Oh, I have a suggestion.
It's not desktop only. It is not desktop only. You can use that.
Bobby, when I click on a field, like with the world settings, it just shows an empty text field instead of copying the variable from inside of the field.
I have to do that.
I tried fixing that with an event trigger. I can't seem to detect when right before you click it. I can only detect when you click it, and that happens after you hold the keyboard. So the best I can do is like values update
3 times so far in the last 5 minutes, maybe.
Well, the problem is variables can update live.
Very ominous red.
Oh God, my eyes.
Don't worry about it.
I turned everyone green.
I just thought this was
And then
I
to see if my radio works on
Oh no,
it's fab. And it's a pink.
Okay. I like that.
Hey, Chris, you actually made it. I was wondering if you'd know to switch to the beta or not.
Disable VRC World. Am I gonna die?
I DM'd him.
Oh, you did? Okay.
No.
Oh, actually,
As I recall, it doesn't do anything.
I'm back.
Okay, let's see. I've turned everything off. Got a nice, healthy 38 FPS. Let's turn everything back on and see what we get.
What is that?
Is the radio right there?
Yes.
Excellent.
Wow.
Crap, I got captured by gravity. Why?
Haha.
It seems to do that like 1 frame too late.
Oh crap.
Wait, the text field was not open. Okay, it was working for me.
No,
We need to click on it. The value side by stuff. We're timing out a lot.
Yeah, it's just blink.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fair.
There are also some basic events you can run. You can teleport to a transform, or you can reorganize a rect transform and force it to rebuild itself. Which, for most of these, it does
still
nothing.
working with that old 1080.
Yep, he is.
Crashing out.
Oh boy.
How do I get it there?
This is very disorienting, but you know what? I'm fine. No, I'm good. I'm good. Maybe. Oh god. I'm stuck.
There's only one answer now to what to do.
I can't go back down. Wait, I can just... There.
Ah ok d'accord. Il faut être sur une plateforme comme ça pour récupérer le menu.
I have a question. What terabyte is
not sure if I would want to. It's disorienting.
Like I should buy a new CPU to get slightly more clock speed over my CPU.
Thankfully, that's only if you go to the planet. You have the motion sickness.
They're making a new version.
Which one? Because it's going to be more revamping that EST the 50 to be even more efficient. And I already have like a really good cooler, but that's like even better.
I mean, I have an AC-15.
There is a fun thing. There is a.
I'm using a Side Ninja 5 with this
by default because
fat.
this comment down. There is a way to actually manually sync any property over the network to everybody. The code is commented out, so it will never run if you use the function for it. But I was gonna do.
A couple people are apparently having the network issue. Cyan's one of them.
I think so.
How many people?
Post
64.
about it in Discord, but yeah, I don't know how many people actually are.
Yeah.
At least lag my
I'm
own.
just
So
going to something and it's like
I can't add myself to the page.
You're being raptured into the ground.
Raptured to the core of the
I am getting a Discord call.
Why
am I getting a Discord call?
You need some adjustments, alright?
Hold on.
It would be a horrible journey. You'd have to go through all the plaques and all the freaking lavans.
Oh yeah, we cannot modify the text field. How dare you?
That's a very good question. Apparently they tried to get
Text fields aren't supported
able to
yet.
see like
The gravity, yeah.
Support these nerds.
Pow.
Let me see.
Reverse rapture as
It's
someone
that
just named.
planet, I think, is where you can like mess around with that.
Try it.
Wait.
I don't think I want to.
Oh,
How did you keep doing it? You went poi.
Oh, I just changed the settings, so like there is no limit on how many times you can jump. Or if you just set it to 0, it changes to infinity, so I can just spam it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just like teleport to curb. I changed time till tired to infinity, and then I just changed my flap impulse and max float height to max.
Okay.
Hi, that was danger. You changed the portal instantly.
And then time till hired, just set it to 0, which will set it to
How does it
infinity.
disappear when I
and then
go
you can
away?
just spam your triggers and jump
No,
at the
no,
same
no,
time.
it's
And you'll just...
like the VRChat portal.
Okay.
Enabled.
Oh.
I don't know what you said, but thanks.
Cyan,
I didn't even get to take a picture. That was awesome.
I did. I took a screenshot.
I got pictures.
You guys gotta get a picture of Cyan skating.
Science skating.
No, the skateboard feels weird because I can't look where I'm going. If I look where I'm going, I turn.
Where's he at?
Wait, hold on.
Facts. It's been a long time.
Hello. Has it?
Yeah, God.
Hello.
How many months now? Like, oh jeez.
What? You're kidding. It hasn't been months. What?
It was last week.
Max, I haven't seen you in 10 years.
Oh, by the way, the postcard's on the way. Mailed it on Wednesday, I think. Thursday, maybe? Hello?
I gotta go to like a really weird local place.
I'm back again. Okay, restarting internet. Hi, back again. I'm Nashio. Nice to meet you.
You're kind of quiet. I heard you need to go to a local place.
Again.
Hey, Cyan.
Back again.
Take this. Whoa! Oh god.
Yes. So there's like randomly, like people can still see me the entire time because they're responding, but all of a sudden it's just like you have been disconnected. And it's just like a bunch of like error bunks. Like it is clearly not intended. Like the amount of I'm getting.
Is your connection unstable in upload or something? No, in download.
I mean, it shouldn't be. Like people are responding to me.
Oh, Jesus.
What? That's weird.
Okay,
Yeah.
that sounds good.
Yeah, like no, it's Furia breath.
If it
Like,
happens
like
again,
before
try
in the other
restarting
world, you
your
said,
find
my
maybe.
CPU is red.
I just did. I came back from that and then it's do that again.
That's how I got
I've
Cyan
had 5 so far.
Oh, you think? I have no idea how long we've been here. About what? 13 minutes. Is it time
Show
now?
me your hand.
Show me my hand.
Do you not
Oh,
have the
I have to
time?
turn it on. Hold on. For whatever reason, like it disabled savings. So I have to turn it on every time.
10.
Only 10?
How do I go down? How do I
Oh, okay.
Just respawn. Just respawn, Satari.
Satari, come back. Come back. We're going to catch you. We're going to catch you. Come back. Oh, I have here. Yeah, here. Oh god, I'm going through the floor, please.
Whoa, whoa.
No.
To be honest, I forgot.
Oh.
Because he's like,
Why?
I can't see the time. It's like, you've actually been here. I don't know. It really confused me. Like, why? It doesn't something different. Oh wait, you see your own.
Oh yeah, I guess. Yeah, actually, Eric, have you tried emoji? They work for you in this world.
Oh, good. Yeah, good question.
Clancy.
You play a capsule.
Are they here?
Money! Oh yeah, they work.
There they are. Yes.
Okay, they work in this world. So if the previous worlds are broken, I guess we need to find out where the lights are broken or not.
Money.
Fair enough.
Oh no, guess. People are just stuck sideways.
Wait, I didn't see the beach ball.
That's a mem problem.
Oh, okay.
Wow, how nice of you.
Here's some confetti.
Oh, well, that's all that means.
Oh, wait, everybody quiet, please.
Okay.
Are we listening to?
Oh.
We're listening to Clancy over here, so everyone be quiet, please.
Yeah, in the center now.
Wait, who?
Alright, everyone. So today I'm gonna show you all my version of the Backrooms. If y'all know what that is.
Use an optimized.
I love me a good.
Oh god.
I love me a good.
Don't be
scared.
scared.
We go together.
Yes.
I can survive.
The guy from
Don't make me globally disabled to skateboard.
You know the last guy that sang that song? We never saw them leave the Backrooms ever again.
Is that good?
Whoa.
Very good.
I will.
Alright, everyone. So the Backrooms, the one I uploaded is one of the first Backrooms that ever on VRChat since June 2019. But ever since, as of recently, I've been updating it for Udon, and I put more events and functions in it. The only thing that isn't mine in that world is a simple mirror prefab that I used. But everything else I've done myself with Udon graphing. There's both a story mode and a free roam mode. Free roam, you can explore the levels as freely as you want, but as a story mode, it's a progression-based system where you have to click on clipboards to progress and read the hints on the clipboards to find the next one.
Are there any entities in your world?
Yes, on the story mode, there is jump scares.
Oh no.
So just a warning for that.
Sounds like I'm gonna go free
Story
roam.
mode is the horror mode, and free roam, there is no jump scares.
Sounds good.
And there are two
Oh, so
Easter
free
eggs
roam
as
is nothing. There's no entities in free roam, but in story mode there are events.
Uni obviously doesn't.
I remember this world
pretty
being
much,
kind of
yes.
scary.
Entity.
Okay, sweet.
Like other engines do.
Isn't
So,
there literally classified as an entity? Entity component.
depending on which one y'all want to do. Would y'all like to do the story mode, or would you like to do the free roam? Raise of hand for story mode.
Story.
The one that has the most stuff in it. Just do that one.
I'm kidding.
I think so,
It's
yeah.
fine.
That would be
Story
story.
mode it is.
Story.
I
think I found a bug with.
Then, once you join in, I advise everyone click on yes when prompted.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Well, I go story as well. I guess.
Yeah.
Sideways.
I'm ready for this. I've got 2 fresh pairs of pants.
I'm gonna all into the
Still, the
portal.
world that scared me the most in VRChat is that stupid
The fact
labyrinth
that you
world
got your
with all the
microphone in
things.
your bios, I'm sure people ask.
You can't go through by floating, sadly.
So they're audio guys. So they've got music and audio.
So yeah, I was averaging about 20 to 30 frames per second. My frames are a bit lower because I'm streaming as well, so there's that.
I'm going to be dead.
Are you okay? Are you sober?
play story mode? Heck yes. Jump scares? Bring it on.
Do love me a good jump scare. Oh shit, maybe I don't want it that loud, because...
Why does this backroom have so much bloom?
It's not Backrooms unless you got a little bit of bloom, you know? I'm kidding.
Oh, it's also... Oh, they have ambient inclusion on. Oh, that needs to be disabled. Okay.
Oh wait, are our textures gonna... No, it shouldn't be. I don't know.
No, our texture... Just, like, if you pull out your camera, it bugs out in VR.
Oh wait.
Actually, oh no, your stream can also see it. We're like, pull
Yeah,
out your
I
camera and
see
we'll see
it.
what the stream
I
is seeing.
see it. No, I don't need to pull out the camera. I can see it in OBS.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. No, it's basically like it has duplicates of everyone's avatar. It's fine. Yeah, ambient inclusion is broken.
Yeah,
Don't
it's
use it.
fine for in my point of view, but in the stream's point of view, yeah, it's they are.
Yeah.
Here we go. Nice dark corner to be in.
Yeah. If we ever find the world crater again, I need to tell him about that.
The ambient occlusion, Ivan, that's what's doing it.
Yeah.
It's not showing on my screen, but on the stream, unfortunately, it is.
Yeah, in any cameras it shows bugs with ambient occlusion, just because ambient occlusion is very broken in Unity 2019.
Yeah. Oh god, yeah, that just looks weird on stream.
Is this world using ambient occlusion?
Yeah. Actually, you're not in VR, I don't think. But yeah,
Okay,
in VR, like you pull out your camera, you're using the stream cam. Oh, okay. Yeah, just pull out your camera and then like look at someone's avatar. Yeah, and then
Or
you can
just
see
look
like
at
there's
the
kind of like a
stream.
duplicate of it to the side.
It's like that on my.
So
on my
I've
stream,
experienced that outside of the camera, where anyone with like a toon shaded avatar, you can just see all the shading of the world. I'm gonna be honest.
Backrooms isn't so scary when you got other people to chill with.
It just like doesn't render them on like a per
I
mesh
need to hold it like this. I hold
Sorry.
flashlights.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Times on live in the past, but usually when it's like a really long.
Hold my hand, Nocho. Hold my hand. There you go. It's time to go adventures this way.
Skull, is that you singing the Mario World music?
Maybe.
Hell yeah. Oh, jeez.
Probably like a fucking smiley face in the darkness. Who cares?
That's just
ain't nothing back here.
Alright, if I scream, I'm gonna be mad.
It's like my turn left theory is failing with this world. I'm turning left, but I'm
I
going
really
nowhere.
hope that
How?
the
Okay.
next version of the XR2 chip that comes with
Like Unity 2020 and 2021, but I guess we have to wait to move to those versions.
yeah. I wonder if that could be fixed now, but I mean, I'm no expert on this stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know if
it
it's
Yeah.
a specific issue, a pipeline issue.
See, if I was using the because I have a plugin that it streams from my VR headset directly, but I don't use it because sometimes I'll need to because I don't want my overlay showing up in the way of everything, so I use the VRChat window instead. But if I was doing that, it wouldn't show. Because like right now I have my overlay up, but it's not showing on the screen because I'm just streaming the VRChat window. But if I was using the plugin to stream directly from my headset, then it would show the like VRChat would look better, but then the overlays would get in the way of everything.
I've seen nothing.
Yeah, same.
If y'all want, we can respawn and y'all can follow me to the next clue.
Okay.
Okay,
So-
responding.
What? I don't think wait, or does it? Hang on. Oh, never mind. Okay.
So,
You can
first things
change
first,
it.
you click on the
Alright.
clipboards.
Oh, you have to click on them?
Grab it.
I scrubbed it.
Ah, clipboard.
The hints on the bottom of that clipboard, it says where one goes to poop, and that would be the bathrooms, which is right here.
Oh.
Oh man, they have
Oh.
bathrooms.
Well, I don't know how to read.
The bathroom.
Wait a minute.
This one.
Something different. There's something new.
Finally, okay.
The bathrooms.
Yo, let me go take a piss.
Wait, why does the unicorn?
This is not.
Equal opportunity.
Wait, why does the girls' room have urinals? Excuse me, what?
Is it actually a clip?
Ooh, or is that just a
You were supposed
thing?
to face it first.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
first
God.
layer, and then they'll like check again.
What face? Okay, I guess we got that
We
one.
should have knocked. That was our fault.
I got 2 clipboards now.
Yeah, I don't feel like reading.
Alright, on that clipboard it says the next clue is where one throws away the garbage, which is on this trash can over here.
And some something.
Like the sound of a
air conditioning units.
Yeah.
Like old AC units.
There's a trash can right here.
Guys, don't forget to wash your flashlights.
Kind of like the Stanley Parable.
Doing that.
The sounds they
I'll save everyone reading time because I feel like we're on time crunch.
The lens gets dirty sometimes, so you might as well.
The next clue is an office cubicle, so follow me to the office cubicles. That is.
I've never understood the
The next clue should be right here on this wall.
People. Okay. Cha-cha, real smooth, and dirty.
And then the next clue would be in this dark area, so
Wait, where are they?
I'll just guide the way to it. This maze.
There are clues?
All I see is avatars. Okay, I'm gonna get taller.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna grab someone's leg and hang on to it.
I heard something. I think that was a jump scare.
I heard something.
Someone said you're a smiley face jump scare, right?
Where'd the
I
guy
heard
go?
something that might be a young
Wait, was that a...
with a
Also
knife.
collect this clipboard at the end of this hall right here.
okay.
We're gonna progress to
Oh, I don't
the
sweat.
dark hallway that.
I don't see anything. I don't see anything.
Wait, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
It is not making noises, I think it's the world. Who is the person we need to follow? Where did they go?
Did
they get murdered? Hello? We are stuck in the dark tunnel. Oh, there.
Hello, Bobby.
Oh.
Did everyone click on the clipboard in there? That maze.
I don't think I don't saw a clipboard.
Yeah.
You said hello to me. Someone said hello.
Whoever didn't find the clipboard, just follow
Bobby,
me.
do you not recognize my voice?
I'll wait out here because I got the
I wonder if
right
it's
here.
the people who haven't followed the rest of the
Look,
clipboards.
everybody's a robot. I heard an Alice, but I couldn't find the name Alice anywhere.
Slightly scaled down flashlights.
Well, congratulations.
I found
you found
Cha-Cha real smooth.
These flashlights are a lot of real time
There was
lights.
a burning.
You sound a bit.
Yeah.
That's what caught me.
The
World Trader needs
It's because I'm hungover.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How's that frame time?
That would make sense.
Yeah, I love the amount of draw calls they're making.
It's just a robot or a guy.
I'm surprised how happy my GPU is about it, to be fair.
understandable.
Yeah.
Someone's,
All I
doing it.
have is the name tags, and
go.
sometimes they get hidden away
Oh,
by
yeah,
walls, and I'm like,
We'll just keep
where?
pressing.
They found it now.
Who
They're not
said
gonna
why?
find it.
We're gonna find a dark hallway.
Oh, the herd.
One boy, one.
Hello, Avocado.
Yeah.
Fresh Avocado.
One boy, one.
Oh, I got a message. Oh no.
Too bad you can't read it.
I know, right? I'll fall behind.
On this pillar right here is the next clipboard.
Yoink! Haha! My clipboard. Anybody
I feel like I
else?
did something wrong.
That one sings.
Are the
Oh, I think
clipboards
it's
synced?
We probably joined the group late, so they probably had steps before us. That's probably why we can't
Sings,
see it.
not synced.
Oh wait, where'd the theater go?
It's right here.
Well, I was like, why are you already going this way?
normal.
Well, we have.
They're probably following the sound.
We already knew it.
We do follow this way.
I feel like we have.
How
They're
many more
probably on
clues?
the open alpha.
Was there a clipboard in the bathrooms?
They're 3 steps ahead of us.
If so, I didn't.
So this dark hallway over here.
Love how you just know the world already.
Oh, did I? I didn't thought it might.
I think he's
you
been here a
jinxed
while.
it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
You're banned from my friends. Did they lose the flashlight?
You guys are carrying so many flashlights. I lag so much when you pass over me.
afraid of scary stuff.
Fine, we can go in now.
Flip the board, or just have to click it?
What?
What?
Wait.
We're not too scared. It changes everything.
How about so much of a hard time just figuring out who people are.
No, you just gotta click on it.
Wait, what?
No!
I can't go there. That's a wall. What?
No!
Yeah, we didn't take the clue.
Oh wait, people can't go through.
Oh,
That's because they didn't click the clipboard. They're too far back.
Mr. Saga, you just saved the day again.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now I don't have a flashlight.
Ah.
All I see.
See in the dark.
I have a flashlight.
Yeah, there's like 8 flashlights amongst the group. The group will have some light.
So this clue tells us to go behind this wall. Which once you go behind this wall, you get trapped in it.
Holes from stuff that you like that you previously liked.
There's no exit unless you.
Similar stuff, and sometimes gives you facts about the.
I hear people behind the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Did we teleport it?
People no longer behind the wall. Yes, we did.
Yep.
Yes.
What happened?
Seamless teleportation.
Yeah, everybody else disappeared.
Those who didn't, unlike the clues, didn't go to the teleport.
We don't have a flashlight, that's great. I'll follow the sparkle of your dress. Oh, that actually worked.
I can't. Oh, wait, what happened?
So, we're gonna speedrun this maze. I'm gonna go really slowly so y'all can follow.
Speedrun slowly, okay.
I can't see anyone.
Half run.
I can't see shit.
Just follow Fiona's sparkly dress.
I have a flashlight, thankfully.
Very visible.
Oh.
I'm trying. I can put on the big
Yeah.
one with the trails.
And then this is the last clipboard. Basically, the writer of the clipboard died. Yeah, that's the story.
Wait, where?
I don't see a clipboard.
Yeah, I don't even see it.
On the bottom
on
of
the
the floor.
floor here.
Oh, no. Did I miss the last clipboard? Ow.
I think I missed the
Oh,
last
it
one
might
too.
be. It's not necessary for progression. Don't worry. But,
Okay.
I don't know why it disappears for half the people.
So was this supposed to be the 7th one? Because I got the 6th clipboard.
That was the 8th clipboard right there.
Oh.
8 pages. Once you enter this collision, you gotta run. Just run as fast as possible.
Oh shit, okay.
Oh shoot.
Okay. Where are we running?
There's a next bot chasing you. Bot chasing you. Run. Just run as fast as possible. Sorry.
Oh god.
Yeah, my game.
I think there's a oversync through that teleport or something.
Whoa! Wow. Okay, I almost died.
It was a monster.
It was the monster all along.
Yeah.
I'll have to move the.
The monster took our friends.
That's the funny thing is, like, I didn't even get captured. The exit killed me more than the monster did.
All right. So, on a raise of hands, how many people want to see the Easter egg, or how many people want to?
I do love me a good Easter egg.
Do we have time?
It's really quick. It's on the way. We'll just
Well, I'm
see
saying
the
more
Easter egg,
towards the-
but don't
we
touch
actually
the
don't have
Easter
that
egg when
much
you
time,
see it.
Don't touch the Easter egg.
No
Okay.
worries.
That's reassuring.
We lost the Roomba.
Hopefully, I'm going the right way.
Wow, lost in your own world. How could you?
Hey, everybody gets lost in their own creation, Cyan.
Listen.
Wow,
listen.
getting quotes back to
Everybody
myself
goes
here,
all
aren't
the time.
The Easter eggs right here. Do not touch it though.
Don't touch the Easter egg? Okay.
Oh, I have an avatar that does that.
That's a toilet.
Oh. Okay.
What happens if you touch it?
Don't touch it, don't touch it!
You die if you touch it. Alright, just
I kind of want to be the.
yes, it's right around the corner.
Wait, is that true?
Wait.
Like, I'll do this and respond.
Okay. Cyan decided
actually
to
touched
touch
it, did
it. Cyan decided to touch it. And misses.
Oh my god. Well, he has a checkpoint to come back here, so we can find him.
Well, I don't know. We might have to leave soon. Is that it, or is there any more? Yep, there we go.
Oh, he just respawns.
Oh, okay.
Or you can just walk through this.
How is it like touching the toilet?
When you tell us to not touch the toilet, we need to touch the toilet.
So yeah, that was pretty much.
I love
that.
this.
If you find the exit,
I love this right here.
You get a UN song.
Hey,
You take a picture with.
there are a lot of real-time lives.
Exactly, Ivan.
And then there's also checkpoints just in case anyone gets teleported back.
Yeah, level 1 and 2.
2 and 3.
Yeah, okay.
Is Qhala here?
I don't. That was that. Thank you all for joining.
I hear them giggling like they're baffled.
Here's Qhala.
Oh, there you are. Qhala, you're next.
It's hard to miss. It's really hard to miss Qhala. Like, really hard to miss.
Yeah, okay.
What did you say?
I said it's very
By
hard
the
to
way,
miss.
you are next. Would you like to talk about your world?
Because like everybody is robots. So I'm curious if there's
Okay, I just had a Linkin Park remix of a Lag Spike. Is everything okay? Hang on.
Everything is awesome.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh, no, everyone froze for a second, that's why. I'm just making sure if it's fine.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
It's good.
There's a quiet place.
Yep.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Yes, this.
talk.
Oh.
Speak.
Okay. Hi. Who did that? Okay. Hi, everyone. How's everyone doing this evening?
Can't complain.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Over.
We're in the back rooms.
Extremely.
I want more frames.
That is true. It's a heck of a place for me to try and explain the. I mean, there's not much to explain in my world. It's literally This will be I think our third visit to it. I figured out what was causing the shenanigans on visuals. It turns out that there was a second post-process prefab. I didn't know it was hidden beneath like 3 parents, and that caused everything to look funny and fuzzy and everything. And it's I don't know how that got there in the first place, but after getting rid of it, it seems to have solved the weird visual issue that everyone was experiencing last time. I tested this world countless times. I lost count actually in the number of times I've been testing it, and it should be okay this time. We're going back to my core drop Omega, which is the salvaging base that's on one of the exoplanets. What's that?
I said
Sandworms.
There's just the one sandworm, please. Look, he's doing his best. He's out of the job, and it's the only planet available to him, so kind of some slack. We named him Joe, by the way.
Joe the Sandworm.
Because he's slacking. Joe the Sandworm. But now when
Yo, mama.
when we get there, I've updated the visuals. I made everything look pretty, I hope. I've also redone some of the particles, so it wouldn't seem too much. The sand twirl tornado that's happening outside, it might look a little funny, like depending on how you're looking at it. I think it's mostly because of the sandstorm, so I'm going to see how this pans out, and I might actually end up, ditching either the sandstorm or the swirlnado, if you will, the sandnado. But I guess that's about it. There's a lot of stuff that you guys can go and check out now. I made the place less darker now. You can actually see the, like, you know, the. Oh God, yes. I see you raising your hand.
Do we still have to restart after we visit your world?
No, we shouldn't have to this time.
Shouldn't. Because they're all using standard shaders. So if anything, I think the reason why you had to restart was literally because of that second underlying post processor that was like sitting underneath the hierarchy the whole time without me noticing. So it should be okay. Otherwise, if you have any feedback or suggestions, please look for me. Can't miss me. That's like people were saying, why is there a flashlight here? And I'm going to go ahead and drop a portal now, and hope you guys enjoy the scenery, and I hope to God nobody faces issues. Okay.
I bet my PC is going to explode.
Okay. Let's see.
So what was the sandworms forming of?
That won't cause any render queue limitations.
The what now?
I have the Hobart effect right now.
What job did the sandworm get fired from?
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah. Remember the planet that the Dune is based on? Yeah, it got fired from there.
Arrakis.
Oh, shit.
That's really good.
Okay, never mind. I'm not taking a camera
This
because it's
hungry.
just completely
Spadoosh.
No, you just don't hear
Ambient
sound.
occlusion.
I said
I'm gonna get
spadoosh.
some food. I was supposed to eat before, but
Okay, the portal's what the portal's up in case you guys couldn't see it from here.
film grain.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Lord.
Well, Cyan, I gotta hand it to him. These are some pretty stable portals.
Oh, let's go. How's it going?
Yeah, the portals are actually working.
Yeah.
Hooray.
Yeah.
Alright. Third time going to Qhala's world. Hopefully that post-processing bug is done. Hey,
Oh my
it's
God.
looking good.
It's unbroken.
Beginners whatever.
Why am I so orange?
Oh.
Wait,
Yeah, why are we so orange?
are people... Is it working?
Why are we so orange?
Well,
I'm hearing people saying something.
Yay, I'm orange.
There's always something.
we're a little orange.
The lighting is making us very orange.
Okay.
I don't know.
Now, the main thing is we should probably ask Qhala
Qhala
what was actually in that other post-processing stack just so that VRChat could prevent that.
Oh yeah,
That's
certainly be a
good point.
kidding about that.
Wait, what are you talking about? I've always
Well,
been
to be fair, that's just a Unity thing that doesn't support VR. And
It is, yeah.
I think it was some
the
desktop
pre-programming
too.
inclusion.
I just wanna like.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
it
you're
was
not
the
orange
issue that
anymore.
Qhala was having, where like
But
you'd
I'm
have
not
post-processing effect that would then break other worlds when you went to them.
Well, yeah,
It's that
because
bug.
that,
Yeah, it just broke all shaders afterwards.
But it was because that post-processing Qhala was using isn't compatible with VR.
Why is the lighting so?
That's why it
No,
was
I'm
doing
pretty sure that also affected desktop. But the main comment is if we know what it was, we can tell VRChat on that.
Oh.
Yeah, we can report it.
Well, yeah, Qhala can. I'm sure
apparently- okay.
Qhala saw it in the files.
You probably didn't hear it, but there was a button to toggle off the post-processing in the last world.
Oh, there
yeah,
was.
there was. It was right behind spawn. Yeah, you had to turn
Oh, it
around.
was in spawn.
Yeah.
Well,
So I'm gonna turn this off.
Oh,
or
well.
actually change avatars, 'cause I don't know.
I'm going to sleep.
That's not a solution error.
I feel you there, legit. I could just like crawl up.
Okay, he's went underground.
Where did he go?
It's like a permanent sleep.
Where did I go? What the heck?
Did anybody even notice that?
There we go.
Oh, I am
He's back from your dad.
Qhala took off that way.
Oh shit.
Oh, now they're rising up to heaven.
Oh, okay, no, they're really dead.
Where's Qhala?
Congratulations, you're a ghost now.
Wait, what?
We don't know where Qhala is.
I like how everyone
Who's a
is
ghost? I'm a
orange.
ghost?
Wait,
Oh, this
you're
one.
not completely orange. That one's sparkly.
Can you promise me one thing? Can you promise me one thing? Can you promise me one
I
thing?
thought the blue lights down here were make us kind of blue.
Bumpy.
Alright, Qhala, now that you fixed that bug, let's show us around.
No face stickers. No face stickers.
I think it's because they're all
I feel any moment, one face sticker can. Yeah, no face stickers. No face stickers.
Oh, I need to reset.
It's
Okay, I don't have
at least it's face sticker spike. It's fake.
Well. Look who showed up today. Did you get a higher score?
Yes.
What'd you get?
102.
Oh.
102.
Strongbad isn't
I mean,
orange.
that's mildly better.
How are you?
102.
Strongbad is permanently emissive. I don't think he can be affected by lights.
It's a little better, I guess.
You're lucky you're not orange in this world.
Hi, welcome to my orange world where everyone goes orange for no reason.
Can you add
Please feel free to
menu as well?
explore this
Like when you
station for salvaging parts. If you want, you can go down the slope behind me, follow the beacons, and it will take you to the crashed cruiser ship that's in the back.
Yes. What?
Well, it's got some bacon for us.
You can you can explore around the station if you want.
Why is
And they're exploring around the station.
Yeah, might as well.
Yep. Let's go explore.
So when Udonity chart generates the build prefabs, it copies all of them.
Wait, oil? What?
Okay. What? Underground compound or something. Have you come?
Somebody in the chat said oil. I don't know.
Oh. Okay. I don't know why. I need to eventually ask Strongbad who fixed the portals. These are okay.
Oh yeah, let's ask him. He's over there, but we gotta catch up to him. You know what? Let's just respawn.
Disabled my pro.
Strongbad, who fixed the portals?
Stuff was still happening, and I was like, what the heck?
Strongbad, who fixed the portals? We want to know. Who fixed the portals? Strongbad. Who was it? We gotta know.
What?
Who fixed the portals?
What? Oh, did we finally get that? Oh, actually, no. I was about to say, did we get that update out? And I'm like, oh wait, no. Open beta.
Yeah, no, we've been testing at the meetup day where we told people to just go in portals, don't wait, and they haven't died. They've been very, very stable.
Yeah, no. The portals have a whole new back-end system now.
Yes.
It's the plugin.
Thank God.
They no longer rely on the same object sync systems that fucking pickups in the world use.
Oh, yeah, no, that's good.
Hello, Layla? Is that how you say your name? Well, that's good.
Now they're.
I also noticed.
Basically, users don't control their destruction anymore.
I noticed also you can report people for modded clients now.
Yeah, I guess who put that option in?
Was that
I
you,
wonder.
Strongbad?
There's something special about that option, but I can't explain what it is. What I will say is use it.
So let me ask.
Probably does that thing.
So let me ask this, Strongbad. Say I just walked into a map, right?
Use it when appropriate.
Say I walked into a map, right? These people are trolling. They're like, "Oh, he's using a modded client," and I'm just standing near minding my own business, and then they report me. Like, will it?
Oh, nothing to worry about.
Okay, good. Good to know.
Yeah. Nothing to worry about. You think it wasn't prepared for the idea that somebody might falsely use the option?
Also,
no, users would never do that.
Well, there were rumors back in the day of VRChat of they had a way to like a dev could manually click on someone and it would do a scan of their files. I don't know if that's a thing, but could be used.
You still don't know, do you?
Nope. We will never know.
Oh, strong bad. Well, how much time do we have? It's okay. We'll have an hour-ish. And
Yeah.
I might do more big round. I don't know.
No, we can. Up to you. Probably not.
Huh.
Oh, your hip is broken, Eric.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Gotta love the trackers. Shit, I'm trying to get over there where everybody else is. Are you kidding me?
Are we stuck? Are we stuck?
What is this place?
Alright, you know what? Wait, what? Can I? Not about the destination, but the journey. Or wait, or is it the other way around?
No, your first statement was correct.
Curious about Crazium's high score, if it's still 111. Crazium! With your high score, did you get a higher score, or is it still 111?
In my head. Oh, we got to 114, but like I've given up now. I think
fair enough.
We have an hour left, but I'm not gonna play more Splatoon
Yeah,
today.
it's
you're not happy
My
with
man,
the
you're gonna be
product,
upset
just
because we
retry it.
reached 102 a bit earlier.
You just told me. I asked what your high score was. You told me already.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, well now you're gonna be upset
I
about
hope
it.
I hope your return goes smoothly.
I mean, it is what it is.
You don't care. And honestly,
We're gonna have multiple opportunities to get the statues.
Thanks, Sarah.
Sorry.
I love
Are we?
Hebrew honesty.
That would be nice.
I have to.
Because
I wear
some
my heart
people
on my
want to
sleeve,
get like one of each color, because you know, completionists.
That's not where it's
I want
supposed to go.
I want a real big run where there's 8 people.
Right?
Why are we still standing here?
Gotta go to the sewers.
Like, we have to keep moving
Get
before
the,
you start talking about world stuff.
Take care of the salmonid invasion.
World stuff. Did you know that
tired
the
of the
world
world.
VRChat worlds are made in Udonity?
Oh, fuck. I'm
Be more frequent. Honestly, I haven't encountered hardly any crashers, if any, after the update, after Poly 8. But I mean, that's just me. I'm sure other people have, so there's that.
Does this world have a reduced voice distance? Because I can barely hear you when I walk a few steps.
Oh, probably. Oh, damn, that is a big
Why,
sandworm. I don't know, that's Qhala.
I don't want to.
Well, how rude, Strongbad.
This is like completely off topic, but I know like the other week we were talking about like the emoji stuff in the text boxes.
Oh yeah.
I wondered if you knew anything about like
what are you doing?
Unicode,
Keep
like
it
extra
moving.
Unicode stuff not appearing on
Oh,
Blast.
god damn it.
Like,
See,
just
what
through
this is
normal
what I
Unity
was
text,
talking about.
such as like symbols, like you know the diamond, hearts, spade, whatnot.
That's Unity text is a total crap shot across platforms, which is part of the reason I like to text mesh pro, because we have effectively, literally defined all of the characters it can and can't show.
in
Which
the
is
app, and
useful.
thus,
Okay.
regardless of platform. So anything that's still using Unity text is kind of a crapshoot and kind of a.
Yeah, no, I was testing out a world the other day, and I realized that Quest people couldn't see like any of those special characters. I was like, oh,
you want? All right.
Yeah.
All right, you want my big recommendation? Don't use Unity text at all in your worlds. Use Text Mesh Pro.
At all? Okay.
Just put, because with Text Mesh Pro, you can put all those fonts right in there. It'll work across platform, guaranteed. Be the same across every platform.
Okay.
And plus, it renders way the hell better.
Yeah.
Sounds like a win-win.
And the good thing is you can create your own weird sprite fonts and stuff. So with Text Mesh Pro, you can create whatever characters you need for your world.
Oh yeah, that's what I ended up doing. Is I just made my own custom font with all of the characters I needed.
I have no reason to do it, but frankly, I would just vote to remove Unity text from the
Unity text.
Unity text from the whitelist, so that everybody just uses TM Pro instead. You know what I hate the most is those worlds and they use the Unity text, but because Unity text sucks ass by default, it just shows through everything, all the walls and all of that.
Yeah, and
So you got these worlds where you got the text that just shows through everything, and if we just didn't let them and they were forced to use Text Mesh Pro instead, that wouldn't happen. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
And I feel like we should include the Nodo sans that we use in our SDK, so people have a full font set to use.
So, Piper, question:
I
Is
think
there
really
a
stopping us from a licensing perspective? This shit's open source.
Trusted, very poor group?
That's why we used it.
I wish. I wish. I don't know though.
I want to trust it very poor,
group,
so that way I
There's
can
an
just
alternative though.
Imposter suspicious.
Oh my god.
A trusted very poor group would be
Wait,
hilarious.
what group's
Going
called?
into clubs, they're like, "Oh, you got to change your avatar." It's like, why? Because you're very poor. It's like, no, I'm not. And they're like, wait, what? And they're like, oh god.
That'll be amazing.
Wait,
I
hang
enjoyed
on
my
a second.
1 week of excellent before they started considering the VRAM usage.
Yeah, I see.
You had strong bad second guessing.
Just for a second.
Funny enough, I actually got Tupper with this accidentally.
Oh my god.
Because we were talking
I think
about
I
like
remember that, yeah.
avatar stuff. Yeah. And we were just I was talking about the audio source stuff with regards to compression versus on load for like the settings. And then of course he's like, "What's your avatar settings?" And then he was like, "Wait, why are you visitor excellent?" Wait, but I've known you, but and then he was like, "Oh, you son of a bitch."
That's funny.
That's made of stone and thus not soft.
Or physical?
Talk about
It's an effect.
It's using parallax.
Visually.
It's using parallax.
Yeah.
No, it's actually the shader's doing that. Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, that's what we're saying. That's what Fiona was commenting on. That it looks bumpy.
Oh, I thought it was an actual people are
No, it's not an issue.
when walking across.
No. She was just looking at that and saying it looks bumpy.
I looked at that shit. I said.
Oh, okay.
And then an hour went by, and I was like, all right, I'm ready.
I knew that you wouldn't be awake, so I picked you anyways.
I'm confused.
Thank you, Chris. That's what good friends do.
Is that something to do with the Dune?
Splatoon.
Platoon.
Oh,
yes.
Splatoon.
Oh. Salmon's are
Should've guessed.
eating. It's Big Run.
You helped me because you said.
Yep. Big Run.
Oh yeah,
Big Run.
we're in open beta.
I saw that.
You walk up to me, I don't know who you are.
I assume everybody who's going to be here for this. Wait, where's Backstore?
Soon.
Oh, okay.
Over there. Yeah, soon.
Alright, thank you all for joining the community meetup. This was basically the last world for the World Hop portion. We're now going to go towards the social side, which we're just going to hang out, chat with people around, give feedback. If you found something right at Canny, please. I assume somebody actually found bugs. But anyway, thank you all for joining, and see you all again next week.
Thank you.
Where hopefully we're not on beta. I left this on
Actually,
your
it's a
screen.
good
Sorry.
thing we tried this beta because there's going to be a lot of feedback from this, I'm sure.
Yeah, the portal's
Yeah.
back.
Here we go. There's a portal back here.
Wait, we're not
what did
switching
you
out of the
think
beta?
of
That's okay.
So every time we switch out of beta, it, like literally the social just kind of dies. So it's just like, nope, they're staying.
Fair enough. Going to Juice's world. Anyways, with that, thanks for attending the stream, everybody. I'm going to end it. Probably see y'all next week. I've been kind of doing the streams for a while, so yeah. But with that, you have a good one.